What's up, lifers? Out here gonna try to catch a few fish this morning before the storm gets here. Looks like it might already be here, I don't know. I'll let y'all know, y'all read that Spice was out of the hospital, and she was for a couple of days. She had to go back again last night. I didn't say anything in the comments when y'all were commenting because I wasn't sure if she was staying. Looks like she might be there for a day or two again. Y'all keep praying for her, even when she's out of the hospital. She's having a bad time right now. We all are. The only way I get paid is when she's at home and I'm taking care of her. So for about the last 5 months, I've got paid about a month and a half. It's kind of rough right now. Hope the wind ain't just blowing y'all out. And I'll come back when I start fishing. Alright. See you. Alright, people. It's going to be a real short trip with absolutely no content in it. Other than I want to let y'all know about Spice. Short video, promise. It is getting dark. I just looked on the radar. I got a little thunderhead finna blow up on my ass in about 30 minutes. So I got about a 25-minute paddle against the wind. It's only supposed to be 5 miles an hour, but it's more like 10. Well, let's hope I make it back before it starts pouring down and lightning and thunder and all that crap. That's the only good thing about this old sea goes. It ain't hard to paddle. It'll rip some miles. Yes, it's wind. It's always a G. Here we go. Dank master over here on Lone Star again. But I didn't skunk. And of course, it was on my oddball jig situation I got going on there. That jig this summer has caught quite a few fish. Alright, we're gonna let it go. This monster it is. They cookie cutters today, ain't they? There's some monsters over here today. Certifiable. I'm not at the house. I'm not working. And I'm not worried about anything. So, I take these big fish all day long. Let's get this monster back in the water. One day that might be a 10-pounder. That grass will hit that jig. I'm talking about 8 a jig. I'm not gonna keep them out of the water long. I hooked it kind of deep, had heck getting it out. Biggest one of the day, the last one of the day, because we are back at the ramp. Don't get back in the water where it'll be alright. That blood will clog up in the water. It choked that jig though. There it goes. Alright, y'all. I done told you once it's been storm. And I stopped down here and caught a couple fish for you before I left. Let's hope I don't get struck by lightning or caught out in the storm. I don't have far to paddle. I can actually see my truck from here, but I gotta go around this big point into the wind. It might be an adventure. Like I said, she's back in the hospital. I hope it's not for long. I think it may be. We may have to put her in the hospital for physical therapy somewhere. I hope like a rehab center, like when she lost her leg, would be a lot better option what they're talking. I hadn't even talked to her since yesterday morning. My mom's been with her since about 3 o'clock yesterday till I talked to her about an hour ago. They were taking her dialysis. She done missed 2 sections of that, and I think that was a big problem. Y'all talk to her, tell her she can't miss them. Alright, well I'm finna head in this wind, get this thing loaded back up, go to the house. Y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to like this video. Those thumbs up are cool. Share it if you can. And for dang sure, if you're watching this and you ain't subscribed, subscribe, because I got the best content, kayak fishing content on YouTube. Alright, y'all. It's almost hunting season, and we're gone.